Once upon a time, inspectors arrived unannounced at dawn abruptly. Daniel, a quality assurance supervisor, froze mid-step instantly outside manufacturing. The routine FDA inspection had officially begun without prior notice. Production lines continued humming behind sealed cleanroom doors as scheduled. Operators reviewed batch records with steady hands nervously that morning. Daniel gathered training files and calibration logs quickly for review. Inspectors requested walkthroughs, documentation, and employee interviews calmly that morning. Their questions sounded simple, almost casual at first to everyone. But Daniel sensed something quietly shifting underneath the practiced smiles. One inspector paused at a batch record signature online. She asked the operator to explain that step in detail. The operator described weighing procedures from memory carefully without hesitation. Then she flipped back 3 pages, silently scanning initials closely. Daniel noticed a small date discrepancy immediately near the margin. The correction lacked a documented justification entry within that record. His pulse quickened as silence filled the room suddenly heavily. The inspector asked who verified the change formally and when. No one answered for 3 long seconds inside that suite. Daniel realized the signature belonged to a trainee recently hired. Training records showed completion scheduled next week, not yet approved. The room felt smaller than regulatory expectations allowed that day. Inspectors requested the trainee for a brief interview immediately afterward. She explained she followed instructions from her mentor during shift. But she never documented the deviation properly in real time. The missing justification transformed quickly into systemic risk exposure concerns. Daniel saw the inspection shifting directions fast toward potential findings. He retrieved the deviation procedure and opened it carefully aloud. The inspector listened, comparing written steps to reality on floor. Process and paperwork no longer perfectly matched today inside manufacturing. Daniel admitted the gap before being directly accused by inspectors. He outlined immediate containment actions and retraining plans transparently documented. The tension eased slightly, but observations continued carefully throughout areas. By afternoon, inspectors summarized preliminary findings professionally inside closing meeting. One observation cited incomplete contemporaneous documentation practices specifically. Daniel understood the issue was never punishment-driven, but protection. Inspectors sought evidence that procedures lived beyond paper daily practice. Every signature represented a promise about patient safety and compliance. Small undocumented steps could fracture that promise instantly during audits. The inspection exposed weaknesses before patients ever noticed anything critical. Daniel later told his team inspections protect patients always first.